History and politics is a subject combination on the BA Humanities that really fuses together how people can take political questions that have relevance to today, but also how these really are explained and also informed by what has occurred in the past. So bringing students knowledge of historical perspectives into contemporary political problems is one of the unique skill sets that we really bring together on this course.
So at the other colleges that I was looking at, you had to take 4 arts and humanities subjects in first year, but in UCD I had the option to take 2, and the 2 that I liked, which are history and politics.
So within a 4-year programme, it allows us the time and space with students to really cultivate their knowledge and their interests, beginning with both large lecture style programmes, but also small group teaching, which will allow students to speak in smaller groups, to learn their own voice and to learn how they can start to articulate their thoughts, ideas and concepts in a room of peers and other scholars.
As you develop as a history and politics student in UCD, you have options to take do what interests you more. So when you get to third year, you're not really forced to take core modules as such. You can go into modules that really cater for your interests. And the same with the internship or Erasmus, or you can do both if you really wanted to. And to be honest, when I came in, I did think it was going to be just one whole course. But it's not. You go and you take history modules and you go and you take politics modules, and I really, really like that because you get to meet so many different people.
The students who have studied this in the past have gone on to do a range of things across politics, education, policy, the media, law and justice. The question is not what you can do with this degree, but more so what can't you do with this degree. It's about taking what you learn in this subject and then adding on to that with further training or further work opportunities that will finesse and funnel you into the career that you will sculpt for yourself.
If you're in any way, shape or form interested in history, whatever kind of history, and politics, whatever kind of politics, international relations as well, it's definitely a great course to take.
If there are things that you want to learn more about, ask us about them. Read widely and read beyond the subject that you're looking at. I encourage students to go to the library from week 1 of the course and to really start engaging with the text that we're exposing you to, but also just to browse the shelves and to find things that are a little bit different and a little bit related to what you're doing, but also that speak to your own interests. So there are those opportunities within this programme to shape it from day 1. And I would really encourage you, if you are looking at this programme and you do want to join us on this journey, to find the ways to make this journey your own, and we'll be with you every step of the way.